Hi guys, no video this week because I'm in Nashville. Okay, so I'm not like literally in Nashville this very minute, this minute of filming, because I'm obviously filming this from my house before I left, but I have it scheduled to post on Wednesday night at the normal time. So by the time you are watching this now, I will actually be in Nashville. See, I'm sneaky like that. So I went down to visit my friend Brett. You may remember him from this little video. Yes, he was the musical Magneto. He moved to Nashville last year, so I'm going down to visit him. So I'll be gone for a couple of weeks, so there's no video this week. And next week, I do have one set to auto-post, so there will be a video next week, but it just won't be me here live. So for a couple of weeks, I'm going to be a little slow responding to comments and stuff, but then the week after, I will be back home, so I'll have a brand new cosplay video. So next week will be in auto post, but it will still be a new video, and the week after I'll actually be home with a new cosplay video, and I'll catch up on all the comments and everything. Now I did have to bring a costume with me to Nashville because this is what I do. So I brought a costume with me to Nashville, and I'm going to be filming a little bit of my travel trip down there in costume, somewhat in character. So a few weeks after I get back, I will cut that video and upload that, and hopefully that will be a lot of fun. So in the meantime, if you guys have any places that you know of in Nashville that you think I should check out, let me know in the comments. Again, I'm going to be, sporadically checking comments, but I'll be able to check them at some point, and I'll take your suggestions under advisement. So see you guys with an auto post next week, and then back the week after that. Okay, so see you later.